Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the health page. And sometimes when you open the app, you may see this note, basically telling you that if you want to receive the notifications, you will need to enable the permissions. You will need to allow permissions for the notifications to work. But if you don't see this pop-up, let's close it for now. You can tap on Devices, tap on Huawei Watch GT 5, scroll down, find the notifications option, tap on it, and try to turn on the notifications. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed, it will redirect you to the specific page. So we can tap right here. Now we can scroll through the list, find the Huawei Health application, and once you find it, you need to tap on it. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and tap on allow. And once you see that under the Huawei it says allowed, we can go back, and the notifications will be enabled. And you will see the list of applications on your phone. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications for specific apps and you receive the notifications from those apps on your phone, those notifications will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable them, they won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see it only on your phone. Turn on the notifications for the applications you want. You can also enable the option mute notifications when using the phone. So basically, if the screen on your phone is active, and you won't be receiving notifications on your watch. You may also want to allow some permissions for the other things to make the notifications work, because for example, notifications for phone calls and stuff like that will require permissions for that. So to do it, find the Huawei Watch Health application icon, press and hold on it, tap on App Info, tap on Permissions, and here we have the list of permissions. And for the notifications for calls, you will need phone, call log, and contacts. So we can tap on phone, tap on allow, tap on contacts, tap on allow, and tap on call logs, tap on allow. And for the SMS, you will need the SMS permission. Okay. And once you're done, and enable the notifications right here, we should be okay. So now we can check if it's working. To do it, I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I enabled the notifications for Discord, so it should be working. And I get the notification from the Discord on our phone. Let's check our watch. And it is here. To check the notifications, you swipe up on the home screen. As you can see, it is here, so it means it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.